Hello, viewers. This is life designer Bijit Tushar, and yes, after the break, we are here to speak about our mothers, our children, and how the lives that we are living and the kind of experiences that we have had you could relate to, and maybe if it is possible to make some changes for the good and appreciate your own mothers and think of them always as the epitome of unconditional love. So, Minal, we were talking about sometimes just in the previous video, I had spoken about how it is a little disturbing for a mother to, leave the son when he has to be in his own world. तो वो जो let go करना है, we used a very beautiful word which is called as detachment. But that detachment is uh, we use that word, now what was that? Detached attachment. So what is detached attachment and how do we practice it? So if you talk about the case right now which I said, I know I have to let my son take his own decisions. So we were having a small argument and I was asking him to help me out with my work, which is also in the field of psychology, in which he is going to do masters. So he had his issues and all that, and I asked him, you need to take a call on whether you want to pursue the talents that you're having right now in the field of psychology, or you want to pursue your leisure, which is guitar and all the other things, looking after your health and everything. And we had an argument based on that. And just as I was recording this video and talking about soulful connections, he sends me a message, and I would like you to listen to that message. It is so beautiful and so touching that I want you to listen to that.
Mama, sorry, I got angry when we were talking थोड़े time पहले, and just wanted to say sorry, and just wanted to know कि Saturday को अपने को training के लिए Mindspace में कितने बजे जाने का है.
So this is so beautiful that whatever I'm sharing with you, I have actually lived, and I would want you also that in case your child is not listening to you and you think that there's a lot of arguments going and that he doesn't respect you, remember that it must be a momentary feeling, just as I was feeling. And I'm so relieved now, to get that message from him. So
yeah, I can see the difference when you came. When you came here, it was more like पूरा ऐसा tension में, and I am looking at her कि ये जबरदस्ती आज इधर बैठे उसको बुलाया क्या? So, and now after that call, she was like all smiles reaching into her eyes. So it was like, and maybe it's the child effect. वो भी
yes,
एक
the
है.
child effect.
वो भी एक है. And I think this generation is much more vocal or maybe much more expressive than what we were. I feel like that.
Yes, definitely.
Maybe वो लोग जल्दी आके hug भी करते हैं. This one, I'll tell you about my daughter. She will go on telling me, Mama, I love you. Do you love me? And I will like, सोचती हूँ, बताती हूँ. Maybe that has come from my mom.
बहुत बार. So why don't you come and give her a hug fast? Always ready, na? Lovely Athira. Athira has been a part of my life even before her birth.
Yeah. Of course. For Athira, in fact, it was you who were more confident.
Yes, I was.
She was.
So we were talking about
My daughter, how being expressive and generally this generation.
Yes.
After hearing your son's call, Kalpak, so I was telling this generation is more expressive as well as vocal about their emotions or feelings when they tell us. Whereas
Yes.
during our time, I think we would have never gone and just like जाके hug किया.
नहीं,
even आप पे
मुझे तो याद नहीं है कि I would go and hug, but that also when after I started working, I think after I was around 25 or something, उसके बाद ही मैंने hug किया है. पहले उतना नहीं hug वगैरह करते थे, छोटी थी तभी करती थी, but उसके बाद नहीं. And whenever I would hug my mom, she would just droop her shoulders like this. She wouldn't hug me back, and I am just waiting for that tight hug. She never would be able to do that. Then I just realized कि क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, but I didn't think much about it. And when I was carrying my son, I was there at her place, and I don't know what happened that day. I became very overwhelmed because when you're carrying, you sometimes have this overwhelming emotions come up, na. So tabhi, I don't know what actually happened, and I was just thinking of how grateful I am that my mom and dad are there to support me. और ये specifically ना तब होता है when you've had an intercaste marriage. तुझे लगता है?
Of course, we sail in the same boat, especially.
So तुझे ऐसे लगता था शादी के बाद में कि भाग के जाऊँ मम्मी को
No, I
मिलने
never.
के लिए?
Actually, what had happened was there was a bit of a difference here. Was like my father and my father-in-law,
हाँ,
both were Geminians,
अच्छा.
and both had almost the same personality. And I was very close to my dad, and similarly, I was very close to my father-in-law. Very
Okay.
close. So we had the same interest, reading,
हाँ,
and it was he who introduced me to Shakespeare, the original English, the original language written,
okay,
and
great.
Karl Marx.
Okay.
And he was the one, he introduced me to the instrumental music, the
Mhm.
classical ones,
Hmm.
and I introduced him to Bold and Beautiful, Santa Barbara, and Kenny G, Yanni. So we had a good exchange on that.
Okay.
So,
that
and
is
then there was a phase where we used to like Bold and Beautiful. He used to ask me, ही बघ ही आता काय चाललंय. So I said, बघू द्या काय चाललंय बघू द्या. So we used to sit together and watch the movie, watch the serial. Bold and Beautiful. So you can imagine that is what happened.
that is really very bold statement from you with a bold behavior on bold and beautiful.
So it happened that way.
So it's really strange to know that you had such a comfort zone with your father-in-law, which normally like the bahu of the house will not have that much of a comfort zone at least to watch bold and beautiful.
Yeah, that was that comfort we had quite a lot. And my husband used to always feel, in fact, you both are watching that. He used to come late. So I said, yeah, हम दोनों ने देखा है. He used to ask me, अरे आज episode अजून आलं नाही. Let us see. So yeah, let us wait. Let me check when it is there. So, and in fact, you won't believe, like Monday to Saturday, I used to have all the kids coming here, like morning 8 to night 9. Sunday, he used to lock my door from outside. You see, there you get up before 11. So he used to never. He used to tell my husband rather, तुला उठायचंय तू उठ. She's going to sleep. And he used to lock it from outside, and nobody was supposed to disturb me.
Awesome,
And
awesome.
he has looked like I had, in fact, fractured my leg. I had a ligament.
I
tear.
remember.
And he
He was
looked after
taking
me.
so much care
Yeah.
of you. I've never seen any father-in-law take so much care
Yeah.
of the daughter-in-law. सच्ची में बहुत
He came
बहुत
in the
नसीब वाली है तू. That is what I can say. She's really, really, really very lucky to have such beautiful in-laws, and of course her husband is a gem of a person. So beautiful connections she has made, and the connection that we have is also extremely beautiful. And now we realize that there is a reason for all this. Probably we are here sitting doing the show for you, sharing our experiences, so that any of you going through any difficulties can just go through these videos, refresh yourself, see what changes you can make in your life, because life is beautiful.
True.
हम सब एक बुरे दौर से गुजरते हैं, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू कंटिन्यू टू रिमेन अ विक्टिम. Like when you were talking about your mom, Mrs. Bansara, Barasra, that she never thought of herself as a victim. Or if you talk about my mom, I remember that when she got a paralysis attack, the entire left side, was paralyzed, and the leg and the hand. But she was so independent that she never wanted us to do anything for her, and she would try her best. And one day, I was just giving her a
Sponge or bath.
sponge, yeah, a sponge bath, and she said she started crying, and I saw the tears come down. She said, I've never felt so helpless in my life. All that I asked God was, till I die, give me the health and the courage to continue with my work, that I should never be dependent on anybody.
I have experienced that. My father-in-law was in the last stage cancer,
Yeah.
and on 24th April, he called me. He said, "I'm not going to be through this month."
Okay.
Yeah, he was very clear, and he said, "I'm independent right now, and I will go in this state, and I don't want any buddy. At any phase, I don't want to be that dependent or in that vegetative state. And on 27th, he passed away.
My God.
And my mother also, for 6 months when she was there in the hospital, she was paralyzed on the right side.
Mhm.
At that time also, and she had, in fact, in that, she had undergone hysterectomy.
My
And she
God.
was ORH negative, which was a rare case.
Yes, extremely rare.
Extremely, and Dr. Shankari, hats off. She risked it and then...
Dr. Shankari from Bangur Nagar?
Who is the
Goregaon.
gynecologist in
Yes,
Nanavati.
yes.
She is the one who delivered me.
Oh, wow.
And she was my mom's gynac.
Mm-hmm.
And she was the one who was like quite, she said, we are taking the risk because it's a right side paralysis plus ORH negative.
My God.
And in fact, I would say I was blessed to have the best of friends who even arranged the blood for her, and they were waiting outside कि हमको अंकल ने फ़ोन किया या बुलाया, so we are there. So
Wonderful.
wonderful people and wonderful memories also with them, and how they've stood by me.
Correct. And I think whenever you have such difficult situations, now you just have to think about them, and all the memories that they have left for you are not just memories, but they are that, shock absorbers.
Yes, true.
They are those bounce back memories, I would say, which will tell us don't stop. ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, इससे
और-
ज़्यादा बहुत आपने झेला है, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
True,
Like,
true,
you
true.
can go
Yeah.
forward. So I remember, she had these tears in her eyes, and she said, what did I do wrong? That moment she wanted to know, okay, is there something that I can change? So I said, no mom, you've done your duties that you wanted to. Only thing, certain places, you used to do good, but then you used to go on, cribbing about it. So that is probably one thing that is hurting you. So you need not think about it. I am here, and whatever happens to you, I will not leave you alone. So that was the assurance that I gave her, and it was at that moment that I decided that I'm going to quit my job, because I know she's not going to live for more. So I'm glad.
It was like you had taken a long time to come to that decision.
Yes.
It was on off whether I should take that
Shouldn't.
step.
Yes.
Yeah, we had a discussion on
I
that.
think
also.
that
Yeah,
it was 2 years it took
years,
me
2
to
years.
come to that decision, and had it not been for her falling sick, I would not have taken that decision at all. But I'm sad that she had to fall sick for me to take that decision, but there also she helped me in moving to my true purpose. So mothers will always wish the best for you. And I don't know why I'm doing this today. From past 3-4 days, she's coming in my dreams.
Oh,
And I don't know what's it like. She's trying to tell me something. I know what she's trying to tell me, that you better be there for your sister because she's got a COVID ka vaccine done.
okay.
So she wants me to tell me to check out on her because I get lost in my work. So she knows that I need to have check, to tell that please go. So I immediately called her up and said, are you okay? So my sister said, yeah, it's fine, just a little body ache.
Oh.
And then sort of, that restlessness that was there in me, what she wants to tell me, what she wants to tell me, subsided. So even if they die, they're not going to leave you.
No, they are there within us.
Always-
Yeah.
They will always be there and come at the appropriate time.
Yeah, they,
You
in
know?
fact, I'll tell you, right now also, if I'm in some thoughts, I feel, nahi ho raha hai. How she reads, God knows. Hey, mummy ka
She will
call.
call. Mummy
So that
ka
call comes, mummy. So,
Yes.
And if she can't reach me, then she has her granddaughter,
Yeah.
where ba ka call has come,
Yeah.
you can attend. So it happens. I think moms are meant to be that way. And right now you
Moms-
can hear Fido also barking for his mom. My pet dog
Fido
wants
is
the
a
mother,
pet dog.
the mother to come and tell him, beta, we are going for a round soon.
So this assurance that you want in between, no? I think Athira's not here. I think when she comes and just hugs you or say, Mama, I love you, do you love me? It is that assurance that they want. Don't
Yeah,
you
true.
think that they want it a lot of times now?
Yeah.
I mean, when we were young, like we knew that they are there and we feel secure. But these children today want that constant reassurance.
True. And sometimes I really try to ponder over it. What is it? What is the reason why they really need that? We are there. We have not gone. There has to be some reason.
I have been trying to find this out, and I found that, see, in the olden times, we were born into a particular pattern, and we knew that the parents are there. They didn't have to do anything extra for us to tell that, we are there with you. And not only that, the joint family system has actually given a lot of support and security to the growing children.
Yeah.
But now they are just one or two kids in the family, so they do not have that much interactions by which they feel that environment to be extremely secure. So probably that is a reason. And secondly, you see that children are not able to trust their friends.
That.
So they are not sure, they can express and share everything with their friends, and whether it will be taken in the right spirit. And we find that children nowadays find it difficult to make real good friends.
True. The world has become too materialistic, I feel,
Yes.
at times. ये opportunistic friendship ज़्यादा है. हो रही है.
Exactly.
People don't have, in fact, when Adira sees the friendship, like she saw you, she was like, BG auntie, you hardly meet her, but the way you connect, or Rashmi auntie, my friend, or Shilpa auntie. So I tell her, this is we have something different in the way our foundation of friendship was.
Exactly.
Whereas-
Very, very good statement you said, the foundation of friendship. We met just for one day in the beginning,
Yeah.
and we just clicked it off. And the best thing was we could vibe intellectually.
Yeah, that is true. Constructive
Yes.
and
Consecutive talks
and secondly, taking each other
to a higher level.
Otherwise, it's like, it's
Yeah, bas ho gaya.
bye, tata, bye bye, mile, namaste. It was good for you.
Right. We never used to discuss people, but we used to discuss about books. We would discuss about beautiful movies. We would discuss about learning more. And she's been a teacher to me. How to study systematically is what she taught me. Otherwise, I would not have cleared my psychotherapy exams. So, I think it was more of being there for that person, supporting, helping them to grow, and co-elevate each other. That has become my favorite word, after I had an interview with the PR director of Mind Valley,
Oh,
Ali Waxon. Yeah,
Okay,
when I met
good.
her at US,
Mhm.
I had attended one of the seminars there. So I met her there and I took an interview of hers. So this is a word that she said. In our organization, we co-elevate each other. It's like you grow, and with your growth, you take everybody else also into that line of growth.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
experience.
it was an amazing experience. So
Very
I
good.
think all of you have had a lot of value from what we have spoken today, what we have shared about our own lives, and we will continue such episodes in future as well, so that you can be enlightened. And yes, if there are any questions that you want to ask us, please put in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and share it to everyone you think it will be providing value to. So this is life designer Biji Tushar, and
Meenal Mahajani.
yes, on Soulful Connections. So yes, our souls are connected, and we intend to connect to your souls as well.
And for mothers, one more, a simple thing. Please, जब मिले थोड़ी फुर्सत खुद से कर ले मोहब्बत. Please do love yourself.
Yes, you need to love yourself because you are valuable, you are important, especially for your loved ones. So if you do not take care of your health and wait for that last bacha kucha kebab,
Yeah,
then you are
that is-
spoiling your health. So please take care of your health. Please be healthy, and also spend some me time for your own self. When you rejuvenate yourself, meet your friends, like how we are spending
Yeah.
the me time here. So
Irrespective
stay
of
blessed.
COVID.
Irrespective of COVID.
Abiba
yes.
with mask, just only for this.
And I did sanitize with the sanitizer that you've kept there. So wish you all luck and have a beautiful, awesome time. Stay blessed. I win when you win.
True. Thank you.